Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel AppleWiz. In today's video, we're going to see how you can fix sign out not available due to the restrictions. Well, it can be sometimes a problem, so we're going to see just how to fix that. So first thing is to go to your settings. And after going to your settings, now scroll down and you see the option of screen time. Tap on it. And after tapping on it here, now scroll down and you see the option of content and privacy restrictions. Tap on it. And in here, you will be able to see the option of content and privacy restrictions, which is currently turned on just like this. Here you can see you can tap on it in order to turn it off just like this. And here you can see now your content and privacy restrictions are turned off. If you have added a screen time password, your screen time password might be required here. Since I have not added any screen time passcode, there is no requirement of it. So after you've done that, what you're going to do is again go to your settings. Here you can see this is the screen time settings, and in here again scroll down, and then on the bottom you will be able to see the option of turn off app and website activity. Tap on it and then tap on turn off app and website activity. And after doing all of that, you should be good to go. Now you must be able to sign out of your Apple ID. You can go back and check. Here you can see this is my profile. I'm going to tap on it. After opening the profile and I'm scroll down, here you can see I can tap on sign out option and then sign out of my Apple ID. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That is how you can fix sign out not available due to restrictions. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.